So you know how Justin Bieber in his new song he says, "That's my baby, she's iconic. iPhone case, lip gloss on it." If you had to finish the sentence for me, like, "That's my baby, she's iconic," what would be like the two-liner that like you would say about me?
What's iPhone case lip gloss on
It's
it?
her brand, like it's an iPhone case with the lip gloss. You know, like the Rode, Hailey Bieber's. Got it now.
That's my baby. She's iconic. Big girl phrase. She's what I wanted.
Wait, that's really good. Wow. Oh, she's what I wanted is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Good job. You proud of yourself for that one?
Yeah.